Not just one fountain. If it's square, it will pair. Entirely compatible with all other brands. Square size 84 ounces / 2.5 liters PET fountains. Choose Ciays cat water fountain filters to save more. Fresh filtered healthy water. Each filter is composed of activated carbon, ion exchange resin, and non-woven fabric. The ion exchange resin layer softens tap water, and the activated carbon removes nasty flavors and scents. Nourish your furred pal with fresh and uncontaminated clean healthful water. Pump protection. The sponge captures bulky contaminants like pet fur and debris before they reach the pump, helping to extend the life of your fountain pump, saving you money in the long run. Included in replacement, the fountain filter is easy to remove when you wash your pet water fountain. Each replacement filter is individually packaged and sealed to maintain healthful quality. Ciays 4-pack premium pet fountain replacement filters can be used for 2+ months. Recommended: replace filters every 2 weeks to sustain healthy water. Rinse before use to prevent the activated carbon dust from shedding into water. Top reviews from the United States. My cats love the fountain. These fountains are so easy to set up and clean. My cats love the fresh clean water. I believe they are drinking more water, which is better for their health. So glad I purchased them. Highly recommend them to anyone who has cats.